So here we have an iPhone XS. We're going to be repairing this bad boy right here. So as you can see, it is not working. So I just ordered a random screen from Amazon, and that's pretty much it. So with the screen I actually got some tools with it, but unfortunately some tools didn't work. But mostly when you buy it, you get all the tools with it. So the first step is just to unscrew the bottom two screws from the iPhone. This is actually a really easy step. So this is the screwdriver I was using. It came with the box. So let me just unscrew this device. Now keep in mind, when you're opening the screen on the iPhone, you have to heat it up with a hair dryer or with something else that just heats up the screen, because of the water resistance, it's actually glued together. So keep that in the mind. I'll be using in this video blow dryer. So there are two techniques. There are actually a lot of techniques. Just lift the screen up a little, and from the bottom you can just slide in a tool. Be careful, do not go that deep inside, and just open the screen. So I had to actually cut the scene because it was kind of hard to open this phone, but yeah, I hope you guys get it in it. So it's actually really easy to open the device. Be careful that you don't fully open it, because it can break the cables, and the brake cables are really weak. So these are the screws that we will be opening, and here's a picture of the screws, and these are the three different types of screws that are being used in it. So you can just clip these connectors one by one. I'm using pictures because it's easier to see which connectors you have to unplug. Now this connector here is actually glued with a glue down. So I just disconnect all the cables as shown here, and this one, as I mentioned, is glued down. Be careful and just pull it away slowly and carefully. So now after this is taken off, we have to disassemble the top parts of the screen. So this is first screws that's hidden under this, so I don't know what thing, it's just hidden underneath it. And these are the screws that we have to open it, and after opening it, it's gonna be loose, and this is how you can actually take it off. Again, this is also glued down, so you have to be careful. Just take a tool and just slide it inside, and make sure you be careful. You have to stay careful and just unplug it or disconnect it from the glue. So I'm just doing that right now here. So yeah, so again, after disconnecting it, you can just take this and put it on a new screen. Again, I'm putting some pictures inside so you can see how you can actually do it. So now after doing that, you can just plug in the phone and you should be good to go. And here is again, yeah, make sure when you're connecting the screen, this is how you should put the connector, align them, and then you should be fine, and the phone should work. Peace out.